Hi students, so today as you can see we'll be learning the trick for multiplying any number with 5, okay, which you can do very quickly if you can observe a particular pattern in what I am writing. 44 5 what is 44 5 It is 220. Now students, I am asking you, do you observe any pattern in this? Yes? Correct. The resultant number, if you see 22, is exactly half of 44. So what you have to do is, you just have to make half of the number and put a 0 behind. Fine. We'll see few more tricks. But remember students, this is true only for even numbers. Okay. For odd numbers, the trick is has a slight twist, otherwise it is also very simple. Okay, so few more examples I'll write. Let us say 122 5s are, then I'll say 512 into 5, then I'll write 1024 into 5. Okay, yes, if you can tell me half of 122. I know half of 120 is 60, so half of 122 will be 61, and just put a 0 behind. Okay, then half of 512. I know half of 500 is 250, so 12 is 6. Half of 12 is 6, so your answer will be 2560. Fine. Then what is half of 1024? 1024 is 1000. I know it is 500. Okay, half of 1000 is 500, and half of 24 is 12. Now half of 1024 is 5120. Okay, few more examples, kids. So we'll write 76 5s, then I'll write 144 into 5, then I'll write 82 5s. Yes students, if you can help me out, what is 76? Half of 76 is 38. Yes, so your answer will be 380. Okay, what is half of 144? I know half of 14 is 7 and half of 4 is 2. Half of 144 is 72. So just put a 0 behind to get 144 5s. Okay, again very simple. Half of 82 is 41. So your answer will be 410. This was true for even numbers. Okay, for odd numbers, how your mind should work, just see. So taking odd numbers like 61 5s. Now what should run behind your mind while multiplying any number with 5? See. This should be in your mind. So I don't know what is 61 5s, but I know what is 60 5s. Okay, I just have to make its half. It is 30, so 300. Okay, so instead of 300 you just put 5 more. Okay, you just have to put 5 more. While doing this, you just have to see the nearest even number or the neighboring even number of the given odd number. Okay, let us take one more example. Let us say 93 5s. What is 93 5s? I don't know what is 93 5s, but in my mind I can do what is 92 5s. Half of 92 is 46. Okay, so what I'll do is 4 6, instead of 0 I'll write 5. Are you getting students? The trick is not that difficult. Quickly if you do, okay, from 93 you can come to 92. Okay, or you can also go one number ahead, then come 5 behind, like this. If I want to know what is 99 5s, it is very simple for me. I know what is 100 fives are. All of you know it is 500. So just come 5 behind. Okay, it will be 495. Okay, so few more examples of odd numbers. Fine, so I'll begin with 183, then I'll take 211, then I'll take say 97, then I'll take 49. Okay, now let us say I know what is half of 18, it is 9, and let us say this number is 2, so 91 I got. 2's half will be 1. What is 91? 9, it will be 91. Okay, half of 182 will be 91, so I don't want 0 here, I'll put 5 here. Fine. Again we'll come here. I want to know the half of 210, not 211. Okay, 210 half is very simple, 105. Okay, instead of putting 0 I'll put 5 here. Fine. Then 97 fives are. Okay, half of 96 I want to know. Half of 96 is 48. Okay, and just add 5 more, so 485 is your answer. Then this is very simple. I want to know what is 55 are. 55 is 250. Okay, but I want to come 5 behind. If I want to come 5 behind, because I have gone ahead here, so it will be 245. Fine students, have you got it?